What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So, this is my cat. First of all, it's my baby Pedro. Anyways, so you guys, my name is James. If you're new here, I go by Amok. This is my studio. I'm located in Santa Ana, but I do play in Los Angeles. Let me put them down. So if you guys are in the area, hit me up on Instagram. I'll send you guys invitations to my bookings. So I'm gonna remake a tutorial that I made a few days ago about beat matching. I got some feedback and some people said that the music that I was choosing was not the best because it's a little fast, it's a little distorted, and they wanted me to use something that's a little bit more slower. So for this example, I'm going to be using a little bit more clubby type techno. Let's go ahead and get started. Dude, this guy won't leave me alone. I'm not sure what the other one is. I have to be like super careful because they start walking around and I have to look down before I take any steps so I don't like step over them. But anyways, you can put them down. What I notice is a lot of times people are not sure if they should go this way or this way, and I notice and they're kind of panicking and then they have no idea where to go, and so they kind of just filter or cut it completely, and it kills the vibe, it kills the energy in the dance floor. So the best way, if you're not sure if you should go this way or this way, is to commit going one way. It doesn't matter which way you go, either go this way or go this way, but commit going to one direction, okay? And you're gonna pay attention to those transients. Are they drifting more apart? So are the transients drifting more apart, or are they coming closer? So what we're gonna practice is this little exercise. We're gonna grab two tracks and we're gonna put them both on a loop. What we're gonna do is not watch to the screens, because you have to listen to music with your ears, not with your eyes. That's another thing. Like, I notice people will be looking at the screens like they're fixed, just like staring at it, so they can time it and, you know, hit play on that cue. So we're gonna bring in this track. And my job is to actually find the transient and identify which way to go, this way or that way, okay? These sound like shit, obviously, right? So I'm gonna start to find which way to go. So I'm gonna commit to going either this way, and if I notice it starts to drift, the transients, the kicks begin to drift apart even more, then I know I have to go the opposite way, okay? They're drifting a lot more. So I'm gonna go this way now. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, on purpose, I'm going to drift this one on purpose one way so you can hear the transients, how they sound when they begin to separate, okay? So if you notice that they begin to separate, so let's go the opposite way. That sounds perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fling it one way, and my job is to identify if I should go this way or this way. Okay, so I'm gonna go this way first, and let's see if I can close that gap. If not, then I'm gonna go the opposite. There it is. Let's try one more time. It feels like it's opening more, so let's go the opposite way. And there you go. And that's all there is to it. So here's the basics of beat matching. So if you want to get better at mixing, you need to learn phrase matching. And phrase matching, what that is if you look at one bar has 4 kicks, and if you get a cluster of 16, that equals one phrase. So music follows a formula. It has a structure. Different genres have a different structure count, but for the most part 16 equals a phrase. If you want a phrase match, you push play on the second track at the end of the current track that you're playing. At the end of a phrase, you push play on the second track and your mixing will sound so much better. But that'll be another tutorial for some other time. If you like this type of content, this type of material, I'll be posting more tutorials on mixing, on production, and other things related. So anyways, thank you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.